Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video we're gonna take a look at some tips and tricks and techniques for creating a design like this one and how we can use it to make our work more efficient. So let's get started. Now we're gonna take this picture, a JPEG format, and open it in Adobe Illustrator. We're gonna first resize it by clicking on Shift and the corner of the picture. Next, we will go to Image Trace, or we go to Windows and we find Image Trace. We change it to color because there is some color in the picture, and we ignore white. Then we will have this result. After that, we go to expand. Now we have that an group. Then we can select any pattern. And now, as you can see, our picture is turning to a shape. Now we will create an outline and no fill. We will change the stroke to 3 points. So we will make a vector halftone pattern. We'll start off by creating a square and we zoom in so we can see what we have here. We give it another color, red or blue. Then we will create circles with the ellipse tool, the corners. We'll go to the ellipse tool and we create an ellipse right on the corner. We will change the color so we can recognize the ellipse. We can zoom in so we can see more and we have clear view. We'll create the first circle, then we will move the circle to the other corners. We'll use the smart guide to make it perfect, and we will use the alignment tool to align the next circle to the center. We'll make this ellipse or this circle to the center. Now we will use the pathfinder tool and we will click on divide. We cut off the out area of the square using the vector selection tool. Then we will remove the inner shape. We'll go now to object and to pattern, then make, and you will have this result. We can change the look by changing the option there on the pattern option. We can also change the color. We can change the position of every shape in this pattern. And where we are satisfied with the result, we will click on done and we will get this result. Now we will apply this pattern on our map. And we will select the whole pattern. We will go to swatch and we will find our new pattern there. With a simple click we will see that the whole map is made by the pattern. And this is all adjustable. Again, and the pattern is always adjustable. We can go back to the pattern and we change the shape to another square, or change the color or anything we want to change until we get the result that we are satisfied with. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.